In the world of custom merchandise, print-on-demand, POD, platforms have revolutionized the way businesses and individuals create and sell unique products. One such product that has gained significant popularity is custom patches. These patches can be used for various purposes, such as branding, uniforms, or personal expression. In this guide, we will explore the top PO platforms for creating custom patches in 2024, along with a step-by-step process for beginners. There are several platforms available, but some of the best options for creating custom patches in 2024 include Printify, Printful, Spod, Guten, CustomCat. Once you have selected your preferred pod platform, sign up for an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process and set up your store or account. To create a custom patch, you need a design. You can either create your own design using graphic design software or hire a professional designer. Make sure your design is in a suitable format, such as PNG or SVG, and has a high resolution for optimal quality. After designing your patch, upload it to your chosen pod platform. Each platform may have slightly different uploading procedures, so refer to their help or support section for guidance. Custom patches can be made from various materials, such as embroidered, woven, or heat-sealed. Select the material that best suits your needs and preferences. Additionally, choose the appropriate size for your patch. Most pod platforms will provide size options and guidelines to help you make an informed decision. Some pod platforms may allow you to customize additional aspects of your patch, such as the backing, border, or stitch count. Take advantage of these options to create a unique and high-quality patch. Determine the price at which you want to sell your custom patches. Consider factors such as production costs, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin. Most pod platforms will provide pricing tools or calculators to help you set competitive prices. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, it's time to launch your custom patch product. List your patch on your online store or marketplace and start promoting it to your target audience. Keep track of your sales and customer feedback to ensure your custom patch is performing well in the market. Use this information to make any necessary adjustments to your design, pricing, or marketing strategies. As you gain experience and confidence in creating custom patches, consider expanding your product line by offering different designs, materials, or sizes. Additionally, explore new marketing channels and partnerships to reach a wider audience and grow your business. Creating custom patches through pod platforms can be an enjoyable and profitable venture for beginners. By following this step-by-step guide and choosing the right pod platform, you can successfully design, produce, and sell your custom patches in 2024. Remember to stay updated on industry trends and continuously improve your offerings to maintain a competitive edge in the market.